DW here. I'm going to be shooting two of my favorite regulated guns out at 80 yards and testing them against the two pellets that shoot best in each gun. And we'll see which pellet shoots best at 80 yards. Let's get to it. Okay, let's get zoomed in on those targets out at 80 yards right there. I'm going to shoot the top target first, and we're going for grouping, and I'm using the 22 caliber Avenger, Avenger, and let's see how close I can get to the bullseye. I'm going to do a 1 mil dot holdover. I'm not sure what this really, if that's exact or not, so let's see how they land. I'm just keeping my aim on the same spot. Okay, that's it. That's the full mag out of this gun. Now let me shut this off. I'm going to go get my my 30 cal JTS Max, and we'll see how well that groups. Okay, here we go with the JTS Airacuda Max 30 cal. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do a 1 mil dot holdover on that second target, and see what kind of grouping we can get. Okay, that's one full mag. Let me take a few more, throw another mag in. keep going with this JTS. I had 10 with the first one, so I think that's 6 with this one so far. 7. 8. 9. 10. Okay, so that's 10 with the Avenger and 10 with the JTS 30 cal. So let's get out there, bring the camera out there. Let's get a close look at those targets and see how it did. Okay, here we are with 80 yard targets. And the top target here was the Avenger, and I was shooting these hollow points, crosswind hollow points, and that's the grouping. And the JTS Airacuda Max, I was shooting 30 cals, and that's the grouping. The one that's on there, the rest of them are really pretty tight. And those all cover up with this 10 also. So what I want to do is I want to put some FX 18.1 grains in the Avenger, and see if we can get a tighter group than that. So let me get that gun sighted in at 50 yards, and then we'll do a video to see if we can tighten up that group. Okay, I've got the gun all sighted in at 50 yards with the FX 18.1 grainers, the Avenger 22 cal, and we're going to shoot at the top target out there, and I'm going to do the same thing, a 1 mil lot hold over, and that's at 80 yards. We'll see how they land. Yeah, that's landing pretty sweet. It's a pretty nice group. Much better than the crosswind hollow points. Now, let me get my JTS Airacuda Max 30 cal set up. And I put JTS 30 caliber pellets in it. We'll see if that group's better than the last pellets that we used. Okay, I've got the JTS Airacuda Max 30 cal all loaded up and ready to go. See what type of grouping we can get at the bottom target out there. And I'm doing the same thing, the 1 mil dot holdover, shooting the JTS pellets. another mag. That was 7. We'll shoot 3 more, so we're shooting 10 out of each gun. Pretty sweet. Let's go out and get a close look at that. Okay, here we are. And this is the FX 18.1 graders with the Airacuda Max. No, the Airacuda Max. The Avenger. Avenger. This is with the Crossman pellets, the hollow points. 14.6 grains. Not too bad. It's you know, the size of a squirrel's head, I guess. We're at 80 yards. But the FX pellets, they did real nice. I got two a little low, one up here, but the rest of them are all right here, which is 6 of them, I think. No, 7. 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so 7 of them, all in the size, about the size of a quarter. And then, the first time with the JTS 30 cal, these ones here were the JSB 44.75s, and these here were the JTS 44, I don't know what it is, about the same, around 44.75, and those grouped really well, you know. So the JTS pellets with the JTS Max, the way to go, and the FX 18.1s with the Avenger, and the way to go on that one. Okay guys, here's the 2 guns. Avenger 22 cal. There's the target, 80 yards. And the JTS Airacuda Max. There's the target, 80 yards again. And these are my 2 favorite guns, the most accurate budget guns I have. And I've had them both for a long time. I got the JTS 30 cal when they first came out, and I got the same with the Avenger, and I've had no problem with either one. So I'm going to wrap it up now, guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.